So we're starting coverage here at the BMO Metals and Mining Conference, and joining me this Monday is Jorge Ganoza. He's the CEO of Fortuna Silver Mine. So Jorge, I know it's our first time speaking, so nice to have you on.
No, thank you, and good morning.
So Jorge, let's talk about your company. The company is producing a record 8.7 million silver equivalent ounces in 2014 from your San Jose and Cayoma mines. So tell us a bit about this past year's production results.
Well, we had a great year in terms of operational performance. Our silver production is up 42% with respect to 2013, and gold production is up 66% with respect to the previous year as well. So it's been a great year, mainly driven by the expansion of our San Jose mine in Mexico. And more importantly, now we're looking forward to our third expansion at this mine. And 2015 and the first half of 2016, we are focusing on this construction. And we expect to deliver similar growth starting in mid-2016. We should see our silver equivalent production, that's a silver gold equivalent, going up to roughly 12 million ounces of silver when we achieve our first full year of production at this new rate at San Jose, which will be in 2017. So that's what we are targeting right now.
So keeping production up, but how were you successful at ramping up production?
Well, first, success with exploration. The evolving story with Fortuna has been the discovery back in 2013 of the Trinidad North zone at the mine. We've been able to grow our resources significantly. In total inventories, the company today holds roughly close to 3 million ounces of gold equivalents or 180 million ounces of silver equivalents. So based on this resource growth, we've been able to support the expansion of the mine from an initial rate of 1,000 tons a day back in 2011 to the current 2,000, with the expectation of moving up to 3,000 tons per day in 2016.
So let's talk volatility now. Obviously, we're seeing so much volatility with the silver price. How do you position yourself to deal with the major swings that we've been seeing in gold and silver?
Yes. Fortuna, when we focus on a few things, and one, of course, is growth. We're a growth company, and but more importantly than a growth company, we're a low-cost growing silver producer, and we work very hard to position ourselves in the lower quartile in terms of cost. Our guidance for 2014 for all-in cost was $17. We came in at $14 per ounce, well below guidance. And with this expansion we're working on right now, we aim to take our all-in costs to around $10 per ounce. That's a consolidated all-in costs. Our Mexican operation is going to be operating around $8 to $9 all-in, and in Peru we should be operating at around $12, with a consolidated all-in cost, including exploration and all of that good stuff, of around $10 on a consolidated basis. That is where we're heading. The expansion will help us get there, for sure. It's a big driver for cost reduction. So Fortuna is a low-cost producer. So to manage the volatility, I find that a lot of the CEOs spend a lot of time talking about the one thing we don't control, which is price. And what we can control is our cost. And there are several ways to manage cost, expanding production, optimizing. So,
but you obviously watch the price.
Of course we do, but we don't control it.
Right, but do you have an opinion? Are you bullish or bearish on silver right now?
We should be able to have a very sound business at current prices. And if prices move up, great.
Well said.
If prices go down, we can still adjust. But we need to develop assets. I mean, in Fortuna, our vision is to continue developing assets that can position us as one of the lowest cost producers. And that should take care of the nightmare of lower prices.
Well, does it help that if we look at your mine in Mexico, you're dealing with a devalued peso there? Does that help?
Certainly does, at least for now. Okay. Sometimes it's been against us as well. Right. No, so it swings. Right. One of these things that we don't control, we benefit from it right now, of course. In Peru, also, we're feeling a positive impact from the devaluation or strengthening of the dollar against local currencies, and it's helping. But again, it's one of these things that we don't manage, and we should focus on the aspects that we can, optimizing our mines, focusing on developing resources that can come out to the ground and to the market at a low price.
And I guess finally, Jorge, you're CEO of a silver mining company. What's the sentiment like for you this year? What are you feeling on the floor this year? Is it better compared to last year?
A bit subdued, I think, still. Fortuna has had a great run in 2014. Fortuna share price has been up 67% in a year that's been very tough for most precious metal miners. Yep. So if you look at Fortuna's performance, has been outstanding, really, I'll say. And I believe that investors have been looking for a good call option on future silver prices. And that's why we've been with a low technical risk, low financial risk that the company presents with this expansion. We've been blessed as recipients of this investment money coming into the company and driving our valuation. 67% up in 2014 is something worth noting.
Can you pinpoint the reason behind your success, why you fared better than other miners?
Clean balance sheet, no debt, strong treasury, low growth that is low risk technically and financially, and low cost growth. No, so I think that creates the optionality that investors are looking for. If prices go up, we will certainly benefit. If prices go down in the short term, Fortuna will still be there as a strong company that continues to thrive. No?
Well, on that note, Jorge, I wish you continued success, and thank you for speaking with me today.
Thank you.
I appreciate it. And thanks for watching our coverage here from the BMO Metals Mining Conference. We'll have more for you in the next few days. You can email us at newsfeedback@kitco.com. Thanks for watching.